What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at Revell's Chip Foo's 1967 Dodge Coronet. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, so first one we're going to take a look at is the decals. Not a very big decal sheet, but typical what you need. Your gauge decals and the usual stuff you need. Very neat. Some sponsored decals. Alright, let's move straight to the clear parts. Clear parts, nothing too usual. You get your fog lights and headlights and your windshield washer fluid and your rear windows. Very clean, no haziness as you see, and your main windshield alone with headliner in there, molded in. Very clean. Alright, so you get two sets of tires in this because you don't have to do this as a Foos car, you can do this as a stock Coronet. So here's your stock tires. No name brand, but the tread pattern's actually pretty decent. A little sanding will get them, looking fantastic. And then you do get your Foos tires. The tread pattern's very nice on these, and they're a skinny wall. And you do get front skinnies and front fatties. There's not too much of a difference, but there's a tiny bit difference. Alright, so you get your Foos wheels. Very nice wheels. Very clean, and with those wheels you get your wheel backs. Alright, the rest of the chrome, your filter and your stock wheels, and then your center console, that's pretty cool, and your body parts. Grill is begging for a black wash, but that's a very nice grill. Very clean. Alright, one big bag of white mold parts. This contains most of your chassis parts and some suspension. As usual, typical. Very clean. I don't really see too much, hardly any mold lines or flash. Dashboard is looking very clean. Main interior bucket. Back seats molded in, but that's not too big of a deal. Easy master. Top panel off. Get that to the color. And your radiator. Alright, this tree, you get your main chassis. Some lighting down there, but that might be hidden from the axle. Or if you're really picky, you might as well just shade that right off. Not too big of a deal, but the chassis is very tightly detailed. Holy cow. Down to every panel. Like, holy cow. More lighting on the side here. This is definitely one you might want to shave off because that's on the side of the frame there. Your brake lines molded in. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of detail in this. Very clean. Alright, most of your engine parts, and you do get two different door panels, which I'll show you here in a sec, but here's one of your options. I believe this is your Foos version. And then your engine. More chassis parts, your stock wheel backs, you got two of them there. Your hood vents, it looks like. Don't quote me on that, I'm not 100% sure. You get your, wow, heater lines there. That's pretty cool. You don't really see that too often. That's pretty neat. And your battery. More hood options. And then here's your stock interior door panels. Alright, this tree has the rest of your chassis parts and one pedals. Set of pedals there. Sway bars, your front suspension, very clean mold and detail on that. And then your rear suspension right here, and diff. Alright, last tree. This contains your firewall and your radiator shroud, and your belt and pulleys, your horn, and the rest of your chassis parts. Top of your dashboard right here. Here are two wheel backs for stock wheels. And your hood. Very clean hood. Being the best thing in your kit is obviously going to be body. Look at your Dodge Coronet body. This thing's just a one heck of a beast. One big hunk of junk of metal here. Very clean. This is a very cool body. Panel lines are typical. Definitely do some panel scribing there. Definitely need some deepening, but you get your RT there. That's very neat. Very clean mold by Revell. Don't see too much of flash. I mean, there's a little bit here. He's got to do a little sand up, but nothing too major. The bottom looks pretty clean. Headliner detail, that's pretty neat. And your back. Very clean mode. Nice Dodge Coronet right here. Such a beautiful car. So after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I really do recommend this kit. This is obviously a very highly, well molded kit by Revell. Chip Foos, yeah, as like I mentioned, you can do this as Chip Foos' vehicle, or you can do this as a stock Dodge Coronet, because you do have the wheels and your door panels options for the stock. Or if you want to go after the actual milestone, go ahead and get some aftermarket wheels, do a crazy paint scheme. You can go all at this kit, so you can do dream come true. This kit has a lot of parts, and all these parts are very detailed. So if you're a really detailed guy, you can really detail the heck out of this kit. You should have no problem. For a simple beginner modeler, I see no problem with him either, because this, like I said, all these parts look very clean and not much cleanup, and it should go together very well. But other than that, guys, I do recommend it. I'll provide a link in the description where you can get yours. But until my next Unbox Monday, until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.